Okay,
which helps in knowing about the what you are doing.
Just
No, I'm very confused now.
Oh, sorry.
Video.
We'll start again, please.
Okay.
I got all confused.
Sorry.
Please start.
We forgot 56 countries.
Yeah, across 56 countries, don't forget that.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. We are coming from Group D. I am Navneet Ayyappan. These are my colleagues Priyanka, Mailsami, and Shashank. Today we are going to tell about the Barclays Bank, which we are choosing as FTSE 100 companies. Barclays Bank is a global bank. It provides a range of financial services in 56 countries. It provides retail banking services to customers, whether they are individual or business. It offers a broad range of financial services and products, including the current accounts. And my colleague Priyanka will explain about the method of operation.
The method of operations at Barclays. They do market research to gather information regarding normal customers and potential customers, for which they carried out a campaign known as Take One Small Step, which helped people manage their money effectively and efficiently. This campaign was divided into 7 steps, starting with who are the customers, what are their needs, how we are supposed to deliver these needs, implementation of these needs, and eventually the evaluation of the results of this campaign. Barclays followed 4 corners analysis by Porters to know the competitor's strategy, which started with motivational drivers, that is by scrutinizing the competitors' objectives to know whether they are really happy with their performance and the market ranking in the industry, which eventually help in knowing whether how will they react to the external changes in the industry. Next is the management presumption, that is the perception the competitors have for the industry they have been working in, which helps in manipulating their strategic decisions. Third is current strategy. The business strategy the competitors follow is divided into intended and realized. Intended is the one that has been planned initially, and realized is the one that they actually follow. Fourth but not the least is capabilities. By knowing the above 3 factors, we can tell the nature and probability of reaction the competitors will give to the external changes in the industry. My colleague Shashank will explain the organizational culture at Barclays.
The organizational culture at Barclays evolves around the world in which they stay in. Sitting idle is not an option for Barclays, whereas they always strive for new initiative thoughts to grow their company further. By doing so, they follow the 5 basic principles, that is, winning together, best people, customer focus, initiate, and trust. Winning together. They believe in the fact that individual success is directly proportional to the group's success. In turn, the Barclays as a whole wins what they want to achieve. When it comes to the best people, they have best people at the right place and the right time, who not only strive for their own success, but also motivate their colleagues to come up with innovative ideas. And customer focus is the fact that each and every employee in the bank or in the banking sector has been considered as a normal person. Then they come up with what needs and wants they want from the Barclays Bank. And they also encourage for the initiation, which is what the employees come up with what they feel is good for Barclays. And they put in a lot of trust in the employees and give them higher positions and with all the facilities they want. These 5 basic principles have been very drastically improved the teamwork, communication, leadership qualities, and time management, which can be seen in the graph. When it comes to responsible banking, they are a very wide range multinational company, and they follow value chain analysis, which actually separates the organization operation into primary and support activities. They believe in cutting down each and every activity into smaller pieces, then allocating different costs for it, and then analyzing whether each and every activity they develop into are actually satisfying the customers or not. And the strategic intentions will be carried out by Mailsami.
In strategic intention, we are going to see how we are working. We have early warning systems. According to market definition, we are going to get a group of customers with better and best services. And in open system, we are going to gather information about our competitors. Filtering. By gathering information about our competitors, we should filter the information which we need to work with. predictive intelligence. From the information about our competitors, we can able to predict what they are going to do in future. In communication intelligence, we have basic communication in our Barclays bank to do work. And contingency planning, we have a plan. If anything go wrong, we have an alternate to work. In cyclical process, and we used to plan in a flexible way so that if any problem occurs, we can be flexible to that. All these processes are put together into 4 ways: as primary research, secondary research findings, and implementation and evaluation. The conclusion is going to be given by my colleague Naveen.
By this method of operation, cultures and strategic induction, the Barclays Bank mainly focus on the students because they believe students are the future of the bank industry, and in the future it will focus to more audience. Thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Yeah. At the same time.
You will check the split time.
Yeah. Mine increased by 3 seconds. Yours is increased by 10 seconds.
144, 145 years, 135.
No, mine is 134, yours is 145.
We have to 1 3. What is this remaining? We should go to 39.
First you do the 39 seconds, right?
Yeah, but at last what we
Yeah.
done?
Then it
Citizen
is, we'll know about that.
I'm preparing
This is 134.
just practicing.
134 first, minus 145, which is 1 3.
I'll call you and complete that.
3, then again here 4,
Yeah, right.
5 minutes, 20 seconds. He is taking 20 seconds, last 20 seconds for conclusion.
Okay. Total years you taking 40 plus 20 60.
Second, 1 minute.
Exact 1
1
minute.
minute.
You just you can able to capture anything you can capture.
You will cut short something or the other going there.
Yeah. What?
Well, after reaching the
Yeah, we will definitely you will do.
So it's better we don't cut anything now.
You going to try one more time?
One more time, last time.
This scares me.
The class I am going to review the module will be like that. Okay.
Not now.
Yeah, when is it?
Good evening, everybody. We are coming from Group D, and I am Navneet Ayappan. This is my colleague Priyanka and Mailsami and Shashank. Today we are going to tell about the Barclays Bank, which we are choosing as FTSE 100 company. Barclays Bank is a global bank. It provides a range of financial service in 56 companies. It provides retail banking services to customers, whether they are individual or business. It offers a broad range of financial products and services, including current accounts. And my colleague Priyanka will explain about the method of operation.
The method of operations at Barclays. They perform market research to gather information regarding the normal customers and the potential customers, for which they carried out a campaign called as Take One Small Step, which helps people manage their money effectively and efficiently. This campaign was divided into 7 steps, starting with who are the customer, what are their needs, how are they supposed to deliver these needs, implementation of these needs, and evaluating the results of these campaigns. Barclays followed Porter's four-corner analysis to know the competitor's strategy, starting with motivational drivers. By scrutinizing the competitors' objectives, will help in knowing whether they are really happy with their performance in the market ranking within the industry they have been working in, which will help in knowing how they will react to the external changes in the industry. Second is management assumptions, that is the perception the competitors have for the industry they have been working in, and which helps in knowing and manipulating their strategic decisions. Third is the current strategy, the competitor's business strategy, which is divided into 2 parts, that is intended strategy and realized strategy. Intended strategy is the one that has been planned initially, and realized strategy is the one that they actually apply. Last but not the least is the capabilities. By knowing the above 3 factors, we would be able to know the nature and probability of reaction the competitors will give to the external changes happening within the industry. The organizational culture will be given by my colleague Shashank.
When it comes to organizational culture at Barclays, it actually evolves around the world in which they stay. Sitting idle is not an option for Barclays. Rather, they strive for initiation and look for new ideas. By doing so, they employ the 5 basic principles. That's winning together, best people, customer focus, initiate, and trust. They believe in the fact that individual success is directly proportional to the whole group's success, and then it results in success of Barclays. They put the best people in the right place and the right time, who not only strive for their own success but also initiate or motivate their colleagues as well. When it comes to customer focus, they see themselves as a normal customer, then look at the fact what they are looking for from the Barclays bank, then decide how the functioning should happen in Barclays. They also encourage initiation by their employees, which is actually good for Barclays. Then put in a lot of trust by providing them highest facilities they can for the improvement of Barclays. These 5 principles have resulted very drastically, which is actually shown in the graph, which shows teamwork, communication, time management, which has been increasing after they employed the 5 basic principles. As being a multinational bank, which works around 56 countries, they are very responsible in what they do. They follow the value chain analysis, wherein they separate the operations into primary and support activities. They believe in separating each and every activity they do into small activities as much as they can, and allocate cost for each and every activity. Then comes the evaluation of each and every activity, whether it is meeting the customer expectation or not. The strategic intentions will be done by Milesamy.
In strategic planning, we are going to see how we are going to work. We have yearly warning systems. According to market definition, we are going to get a group of customers with best and better services. In open system, we are going to get information about our competitors. In filtering, we are going to filter the information that we get about our competitors. In predictive intelligence, we are going to predict our competitors what they are going to do in future. In communication intelligence, we have best communication inside our organization to work. In contingency planning, we plan if anything goes wrong, we have an alternate plan to work with it. In cyclical planning, we plan with flexible so that if anything goes wrong, we can flexible it. All this process can be put into 4 ways: by primary research, secondary research, and research findings, and then implementation and evaluation. Our conclusion is given by my colleague Naveen.
By this method of operation, culture and strategic injection, Barclays Bank mainly focus on the students because they believe students are the future of the bank industry and it will reach audience in the future. Thank you. If you have any question, feel free to ask.
इसने कट किया, तूने कट किया, मैंने बढ़ाया. कुछ कट मत करो, जिसका जो है प्लीज बोलो.